Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a cold and chilly morning. It's one of those days where the mornings are very, very, very cold. It's literally a grumpy morning. Hey, hadi mdomo iongei, like it's that bad. Whew. So I woke up like an hour ago, did my morning routine. I showed you in another video how my morning routine looks like. I've already fed the chicken, and as I promised, I'm going to give you a video of the ornamental birds. So I have them here. I'm going to show you the ornamental birds that we have, as I show you also the progress of the chickens that we are rearing as a small poultry farmer. So support a girl by subscribing, sharing the video. Yeah, and if you like more of this poultry stuff, let me know and I'll give it to you. Okay, so let's go so that I can show you the progress. Let me have coffee first, cause yo I'm literally having coffee and rosemary's to just boost my energy. I'm not really a morning person, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So let's go. So here are where my chickens are. Ooh. So before even I enter, let me first show you what's happening around here. So as you can see, it's all covered up because of this rainy season. The cold gets inside, na kuku they get sick. So you find kuku wana homa, or they cough, or they're just like human beings. Whenever they catch cold, they literally cough, sneeze, they get sick, just like human beings. So hence, that's why we have that all covered up there to block the wind from trespassing. Okay, is that even a word? Yeah, from getting in. So tuliacha zikiwa hapa peke yake, so they've grown. We are growing slowly by slowly. So we have chickens up. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. So the last time I was here, we only had this part here where chickens were walking up and down. But now we've added another structure on top, and we have another set of chickens. So these chickens are 1.5 months old, 6 weeks. 6 weeks ni 1 month, 2 weeks old. Oh my goodness. So oh my god. They're growing up so fast. I've already fed them, as you can see. Nimeshafagia hapo, and then I applied sawdust. Ash, not sawdust, ash. So the overview of the structure looks something like that. It's quite big. Mpaka huko. So all that are chickens. Chicks, they're still chicks. 1.5 months. So zinakaa hivyo. Unaona huyu ako na mohawk. This is a type of bird. Let me show you. Yeah, we have all types. If you want the one with mohawk, we can give it to you. If you want huyu anaitwa hana manyoya kwa shingo. They're called the ones which don't have hair in the neck, on the neck. We can as well, zinaitwa moshono in our language. They're called moshonos. You see, ule ako na moshono na mohawk. Can you say that? Hey, we have all different types of birds, and yani yenye unataka, we have it here. You see, these are 6 weeks old. And then now sasa tuko na hizi zangu zenye I started with them. These are 4.5 months old. They're quite big. They also come in different shapes, different forms, different sizes. Others are so big. This one is plain white, as you can see. And now we have somewhere where they lay their eggs. Ni huku chini kwa chini. So we literally have to like enter and I show you guys. So here is where they lay their eggs. Wametandikiwa tu hivi. So they come up here and they lay eggs. Like Kule. She's about to do that. You see? So this is the progress of our chicken. So they are now 4.5 months old. Yeah, it looks something like that. And then another progress is to hang easy food troughs. To hang them because I noticed walikuwa wanamwaga chakula sana chini and the floor was all messy. So I hung the food troughs hivyo juu, sasa wanakulia kutoka juu. And so far so good. Hata tuliwekea like you see hawamwagi. Look at there. Imehang but hawamwagi chini. So far so good. If it was down, hapo the whole place ingekuwa imejaa chakula. So yeah. So that is the progress guys. And then yeah. So for them we put four food troughs and 2 liters of water cans. Easy vitu. Yeah. So the first part is there, that door over there. So we now come back to this other segment. Now here is where we put ornamental birds. I know in here is a lot of mess because tuko na chakula ya kuku and everything, but for now let's just focus. Let's focus on what brought us here. So going first, we have these types of ornamental birds. Let me just push this a little bit niwaonyeshe in 3D. Yeah, can you see that? So here we have 2 types of bantam. We have silk bantam and satin bantam. So let me show you guys, for instance. Chanilete karibu. So this one here, this is satin bantam. Satin bantam feathers zake zinakanga za kuku. Like I said, those guys fight a lot, so expect that a lot. So huyu anaitwa satin bantam. As you can see, the feathers, they look like chicken feathers. Hata huyu, the feathers, they look like chicken feathers. And then you have this other one over there. Huyu, unaona feather, the difference in feathers. Huyu feathers zake, they are silk like, zinakaa woolish. Now compare the two. This one, it has woolish feathers, and this one here, feathers zinakaa za kuku. This one here, look at those feathers. They are silk like. Unaona? I don't know if you can see. Yeah. These ones are silk like feathers. Huyu. So. Yeah, actually focus. So this one is called as satin bantam, simply because their feathers are more like chicken feathers. This one is called satin bantam, simply because their feathers are silk-like. They are cotton wool. They are woolish. Higher. Let me now tell you the difference between a male and a female. The male iko na mohawk. I don't know how best will I explain it. This is a male. Unaona kichwa yake. It looks like it has a mohawk. Even this one pia huyu, this is a male one. The female one ni ule, hana mohawk. Can you see that? Male, female. They look like they have mohawks, as you can see. Yeah. So those are, we have here 2 types of bantam, silk bantam and satin bantam. And the difference between the male and the female, males have like this part in the head, and the female, they're just easy. yeah, we have that. On to the next. On to the next. We open the door over here. And then we have this category now. Sasa hawa ni watu wa kuburuka. So you have to go easy on them. So hawa, they look like they have worn hipster trousers. Wamekaa wamevaa hipster. They have feathers on the legs. These ones are called Brahma. Anaitwa Brahma. This is a male one. It's so big. Huh? And this is a female one. Female pair yako na hipster kwa miguu. And then we have that other kabad. Huyu is called chocolated kanga. This is a type of guineafowl. It's called chocolated guineafowl. It's bigger in size, as you can see. Huyu amenishtua. And here we also have Brahma and then turkey. Tuko na Brahma and this one is called turkey. The rest, they are also Brahma. As you can see, they are heavier they are heavier. They look like chicken, but they have feathers on the legs and they are heavier. This one, turkey. Yeah. So we have that, and then this other part now. These ones are kanga, guineafowl. Now the only problem, if I open this door, zinaweza ruka ziende. They are so wild. But okay, this type of kangas, they are called domesticated guineafowl. Let me show you. Hizi nazo, you see, zinaendanga kwa kona moja. So this type of guineafowl, they are called domesticated guineafowl, and the white one over there, it's all white. It's a type of guineafowl called white guineafowl. The rest, they are called domesticated guineafowl. Hey, they are always on the move. So yeah, those are the ornamental birds that we have. As you can see. So guys, this is how kanga eggs look like. They are smaller. Yeah, this is how they look like. If I give you a closer look, they have dots. They are dotted, as you can see. It's very different compared to the chicken ones. Plus, this shell, it's so hard. Ni ngumu sana. Si kama ya the chicken. So yeah, that's the difference between kanga egg and chicken egg. They are smaller. The shell is hard and it's dotted, as you can see. Yeah. So guys, we've literally come to the end of my video. That was the whole ornamental birds tour video and the progress of my chicken so far. And I'll bring more of that if you want to. So let me know if you want to see more of the poultry world. If you want to see guineafowl eggs, how do they look like? How do they taste? Brahma eggs, how do they look like? How do they taste? Just anything you want to know about poultry farming, I'm here for you guys. Let me know and I'll serve it to you hot. Okay? Hey, before I forget, guys, that male over there, Brahma, ule, sijui kama mnaweza muona. Oh my god, it has attacked me. I feel attacked. It is so territorial. It has literally attacked me. Yo, sijui kanda recover leo, but yeah. But I had to give you guys content. So guys, that's it for today. If you've come to the end of my video, please subscribe, share my video, like, yeah, so that we all grow together, guys. That's it for today. Bye.